right now we don't have much grounded ice because of the ripples there. They didn't go down deep enough to form bottom fast ice. So if we get a good high tide with the wind, then the ice will be going earlier again this year.
People are not aware of what's happening with the ice anymore. You have to watch out when you're out on the ice, you know, especially during whaling, where there's a lot of people out there. You notice there's water in the cracks? That's a good indicator that the tide is coming up. That's a real good indicator. That's something that we watch out for. And this being all first year ice, that makes it dangerous because it won't break where we're standing down there. It's going to break behind us over here. That's some of the things that we try to be aware of, especially the water in the crack.
It's
eating out in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
we're not safe here anymore.
Yeah.
It's going to break behind us. That's a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
Well,
we
let's
need to
get
move
going.
back. Yeah, that is. There's signs that tell you the current is one of the most important things that we use to that we monitor when we're out on the ice. The current and the wind, we have to put them together and monitor the signs on the ice and what's going on with the ocean. These we heard of. Did you hear? No, cool.
But these sea mammals that we have around here, by they come in around April. Those sea mammals, one we have around here is like bowhead whale. Started to hunt them in April, middle part of April, and usually till June. But they came in, for some reason, they came in a little early now these days. They came in the middle part of March. For some reason, it must be getting warmer water down there where they're staying, wintering, those cold water sea mammals we have, the whale. For some reason, they came in middle part of March. And they start going out there to Canada.
Picking a spot for whaling, we want to get a spot that we got a good view that way. Because the whales are coming from over here. If we don't have a view like that, we never know when the whales are coming. You can actually time a whale. If we see it way on the horizon, it'll come up once more and then not come up near you. So we can actually time the whales. The belugas will actually come right to the beach. See, they're getting closer and closer because we're not riding our snow machine. The whales will travel right along the edge of the ice. They'll go right on the edge. They'll go right under your boat if you have your boat there. We prefer the bowhead. The bowhead is what preferred up here. As soon as the bowhead's passed, they're not going to hunt any more whales. They'll start on their seal hunting. Right after the blanket toss in June, we'll start all over again for the next season. We have to get ready again, all over again.
Any opportunity to have a conversation with people
you know, and talk is important. It's not going to be there for everyone, but for those, you know, especially if you're going to be going to a place over and over, I mean, trying to cultivate some local relationships to, whether it's giving public talks, whether it's speaking in the school, whether it's having a local research assistant, whether it's having a, you know, an elders group that you can discuss things with. Any of those opportunities, I think, would be worth pursuing.
The elders are the ones that are really knowledgeable on the sea ice. That's where we learn from the stories. The stories that are still aired on the radio today are from elders that have since passed away, but listening to those old stories, the stories that they are telling has a meaning to us who are Inupiat. They're passing down their knowledge to us.